Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can use your Visa gift card on Shein. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And let's begin. First things first. Open up any preferred browser on your PC, go over to Shein.com and just log in to your Shein account. Now once you're in, choose a product that you want to buy, select the size or any other metrics, and then add it to the cart. Now open up your shopping bag and click on Checkout Now button to proceed. After that, select the credit or debit card as a payment method. At the end, provide your Visa gift card details and click on Apply, and then place order to confirm the order. So that's basically how you can use your Visa gift card on Shein. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.